Have you ever stood in a field of towering golden blooms and felt as if the sun itself had come down to earth? That is the magic of the sunflower, a plant so bold, so radiant, that it seems to carry light within its petals. More than just a flower, the sunflower is a living marvel of biology, a resilient survivor, and a gift to gardeners across the world. At first glance, its beauty may seem simple, but hidden within is a story of science, history, and human connection. The sunflower is not just one flower at all. If you look closely at the broad, circular face, you will see that it is made up of hundreds, sometimes thousands, of tiny individual flowers called florets. Each floret has the potential to become a seed, making the sunflower a community of life, packed into a single, radiant disc. This is why sunflowers are not only symbols of joy, but also of abundance. And who could ignore their height? Some varieties can grow over 3 meters tall, towering like natural giants above the garden. Their stalks, strong and fibrous, act like the skeleton of the plant, channeling water and nutrients upward to keep the head upright as it follows the sun. This daily dance with the sun is perhaps the sunflower's most enchanting trait. In their youth, sunflowers practice heliotropism. They turn their heads from east to west, following the sun's arc across the sky. By dawn, they reset to the east, ready to greet the morning once again. It is as if they are alive with anticipation, choreographing their growth with the rhythm of daylight. Though mature sunflowers eventually fix their gaze toward the east, their legacy as sun followers has captured human imagination for centuries. But beyond their beauty, sunflowers are practical and generous. Their seeds are packed with protein, oils, and nutrients. They feed birds, people, and even livestock. From sunflower oil in the kitchen to biofuel powering machines, this flower gives more than it takes. In the soil, sunflowers are natural cleaners. Their roots draw out toxins, making them heroes in environmental recovery projects. After disasters like Chernobyl and Fukushima, sunflowers were planted to help remove radioactive material from the ground. Imagine that, a flower standing as both healer and provider. For those who wish to grow sunflowers, the process is simple but rewarding. Start with seeds in a spot where sunlight is plentiful, because these flowers crave at least 6 to 8 hours of direct light every day. Plant them directly into the soil after the last frost, about an inch deep, giving each seed space to stretch without competing with its neighbor. As the sprouts emerge, their leaves begin to drink in the sun's energy, powering their rapid growth. Within weeks, you will see sturdy stems rising, and soon after, the familiar golden blooms. Caring for sunflowers requires only a few essentials. Keep the soil well drained but moist, water regularly at the base to encourage deep roots, and protect young plants from pests like snails or birds that may steal the seeds. Taller varieties may need staking to keep them steady against the wind, but otherwise, sunflowers are hardy and forgiving, thriving in conditions where more delicate plants would fail. By late summer, their heads bow under the weight of ripening seeds, and you can harvest them for roasting, for oil, or simply leave them as a feast for wildlife. Yet perhaps what makes the sunflower so special is not just how we grow it, but how it grows us. For centuries, cultures around the world have looked at the sunflower as a symbol of loyalty, resilience, and hope. Its face always searching for the light reminds us to do the same, to keep turning toward what sustains us, even in times of darkness. And when a field of sunflowers blooms, row after row of golden crowns facing the sun, it is impossible not to feel uplifted. So next time you see a sunflower, pause and look closer. Behind those golden petals is an entire universe of biology and survival, a story written in seeds and sunlight. Whether you grow them in your garden or simply admire them in a vase, sunflowers carry with them a timeless reminder that even the smallest seed with enough care and light can grow into something that lifts the world around it.